People, we want to show you how you do. Yeah! What's my friend you want? Actually, he's my brother. Actually, he's my brother. Actually, he's my brother.
Alright. Is it working?
I'm sorry for that accident.
Be careful with it.
Now, we shall show you this thing. Corn dog, corn dog. Yeah, you suck.
Wow.
It's called the dying tuna.
It's called the retards.
Yeah. This is called the surgery.
Jay, stay off the side. Did you hear me about the sides?
Yeah. And this is called the rock and roll.
It's called the Dreebs.
This is going to be on the internet?
Sadly. Because they want me to.
The army.
You have to put water in it.
Britt, don't put them on the internet. They're too crazy.
And this is the Phineas and Ferb. Do it all. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, wow, wow. This is called the gunshot.
Careful, don't step on the side.
People, we will be back after this short message. Cornflakes, cornflakes, yummy, yummy, yummy. Cornflakes, cornflakes, yummy, yummy, yummy. Duh! Okay, we're back. But, people, even though this is a long video, you must finish it off with his ass and my ass.
Yeah, it's cold.
Oh, am I?
Oh, God.
I wonder what he's going to do suckish right now. He's going to do the gay frisbee. It's called the one-horse open sleigh. Just kidding. This is how you do the one-horse open sleigh. Yo ho ho! Yo ho ho!
Oh, my gosh. How the hell do I know you people?
Yeah. Okay, that is our video. Goodbye! After this short message, then go to Sandwich Town. Are we rolling? Cool. Touchdown! On. Okay. Dude, I'm gonna go.